My name is Sumon Acharjee. I've been in public sector for over 15 years across a few different verticals, from everything from higher education to healthcare, and currently at the city in municipalities. That's a great question. It's not about the technology itself, it's really about how we use it. And in that regard, I think it's very important that you just don't get the technology and just deploy it and set it and forget it. Oftentimes we might do that with our other applications and things that we have. But it's something that produces new data, provides some feedback. You have to sort of nurture it and continue to train it. And in that regard, you do need to maintain some stewardship. So as we're looking at these solutions, we need to make sure there's folks that are continuing to coach, mentor, train those capabilities, and to make sure that it's not going awry and it's ultimately serving its purpose. Yeah, and very much so, and very much important from a public sector perspective, as we are entrusted with protecting said data. It's interesting that it is, again, AI I would consider as a tool, and sometimes you may be able to leverage the tool to help address some of those concerns. So a great example that we have at the city is that we've trained up an AI model to help make sure our data is cleansed properly as we're disclosing information out to our public. Our goal is to try to make our processing more transparent, but sometimes the quality of our data that's in our system is circumspect. So perhaps using tools like AI to sort of identify identifiable information and to help maybe obfuscate it so that we don't accidentally disclose some of those things. So it's really to make sure that how you use the tool, perhaps use the tool to help protect that. But that being said, depending on the use case, you do need to make sure all those checks and balances are in place and that you're constantly monitoring so that it doesn't go awry. It's I would say it's definitely a diversity of mix. We have to sort of work with our major systems that we have. I think with the new technology like AI, practically all of our tools will sort of incorporate some of that capability. So I think the fundamental first thing is we need to stay current. We need to be on the current platforms, the current technology. And two, we need to make sure that folks are using the tools or learning from the tools and setting up communities of practice, sharing some of the experiences that folks have are great methods to help get the word out, help inspire folks to adopt and use these tools. So training, and beyond just that training is the actual experience.